Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make blueberry muffins using cake mix. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 box of cake mix. I'll be using lemon cake mix, but you can also use white cake mix or yellow cake mix. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries or you can use frozen blueberries. But if you use frozen blueberries, it will turn your mixture a little bit purple. So let's get started. The first thing, you want to start with your cake mix. So take your cake mix and add your whole box inside your bowl. Like that. And put that aside. Next, add 2 tablespoons of flour. 1. And 2. There you go. And next, your baking powder. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of this. 1 teaspoon. And next, your 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. And 2/3 cup of milk. One and 2. And next, 1/3 cup of oil. One. And move this aside. And go ahead and mix that up. Make sure you get all that cake mix mixed together. Here we go, and it should look like this. A little more on the side there. Okay. And next, take your blueberries and you're gonna fold these in. So add them in carefully. And this is 2 cups. And just very carefully stir them in. Make sure you don't squish your blueberries. And there you go. This is your blueberry muffin mix. Next, take your cupcake baking sheet with your cupcake liners. Make sure they're greased and go ahead and scoop your mix inside your tin. Here we go. Make sure you get some blueberries in there. Make sure they're about even when you fill them. I like to fill mine about 2/3. some more blueberries in that scoop. And there we go. And now you can optionally take some extra blueberries and just put them on top of your muffins, just to have some more blueberries in there. All right, and here's my muffins. And go ahead and bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. After baking my muffins for 20 minutes, this is how they turned out. And it actually made 24 muffins. So I'll give you a close-up on one of the muffins, and I'll go ahead and peel it so you can see the inside. And this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.